In a world where asset failure is not an option, one company empowers industries to run safer, smarter, and more reliably. At AsInt, we specialize in mechanical integrity and reliability, offering cutting-edge applications that integrate seamlessly into your ecosystem. From risk-based inspection to reliability-centered maintenance, our suite of applications drives compliance, minimizes downtime, and unlocks the full potential of your assets. We don't just deliver software, we implement transformation, helping you build robust integrity programs with proven expertise and precision. Trusted by industry leaders, aligned with global standards, ready for your toughest challenges. Built for integrity, powered by reliability. AsInt, a higher form of asset intelligence.